Today we are taking a quick walking tour, part 1 of 2, of Conundrum, the 2001 Sea Ray 290 Amberjack as she sits here at Pirates Cove. To use the word clean to describe this boat is just not adequate. Both this owner and the former owner have had a vigorous waxing and maintenance routine, and it shows. Walking down the port side right now, I'm going to try and... There you go. Now you can see the building in the gloss. Boat does come with a windlass, nice isinglass, one rebuilt motor, one rebuilt top end on a motor, a generator, air, and of course all the luxury top end materials you'd expect from a Sea Ray. And again, I'm showing you this wonderfully waxed hull. Both this and the former owner have taken very good care of her. And this broker has personally delivered her from Fort Walton Beach to Panama City via the Gulf. It was actually one of the nicest rides I'd had for 3-foot seas, 4-foot seas. She does come with the optional aluminum arch as well as rocket launchers. She has the 5.7 liters with duo props. Even the zincs have been changed out recently. Boat shows very, very clean. Well, thank you for looking at the 2001 Sea Ray 290 Amberjack Conundrum. You can find other pictures on Yacht World, Boat Trader, and boats.com. Thank you for your time.